For decades, we've used tools. We've mastered IDEs, debuggers, and compilers. But what if our tools weren't just passive helpers? What if they became true teammates? This is Agentic Coding, a partnership where you delegate and your AI partner delivers. Imagine assigning a complex bug fix or a full feature build to an AI that doesn't just suggest code, but writes it, tests it, and refactors it until the job is done. This isn't science fiction. This is GPT-5-Codex. What makes GPT-5-Codex a true teammate? Two things: persistence and intelligence. It can work autonomously for over 7 hours on a single task. That's true engineering persistence. It also uses adaptive reasoning. For simple requests, it's lightning fast, using 93% fewer resources. But for a deep, complex problem, it doubles its reasoning time, meticulously testing and iterating until it gets it right. It's not just fast, it's smart. Its capabilities span the entire development lifecycle. For architects and lead engineers, picture this. It can set up its own dev environment, find the setup scripts, and even pip install its own dependencies at runtime. No more manual setup. For senior developers, its code review is revolutionary. It goes beyond linting. It understands the intent of a pull request, reasons over the entire code base, and even runs tests to confirm behavior, catching flaws you might miss at a glance. And for every developer who spent hours chasing a bug, GPT-5-Codex writes code, runs the tests, sees them fail, and then fixes its own code, repeating the cycle until every single test passes. You get a fully validated solution. Here's something unique. It's not blind to the UI. The agent can launch a browser, visually inspect the interface it just built, and even compare it to a screenshot from a bug report. It sees what the user sees. So how does this help your team? For software architects, hand it a legacy monolith. GPT-5-Codex excels at large-scale refactoring, untangling years of messy code, and modernizing your architecture while you focus on the bigger picture. For your entire team, debugging time plummets. Just give it a bug report. It will identify the root cause, write the patch, and validate the fix, turning hours of frustrating work into an automated background task. And for managers, imagine this. Assign a full feature to Codex. It will code, test, and iterate until it's production ready. Internally at OpenAI, it's our first line of defense, reviewing pull requests and catching hundreds of critical issues daily. This isn't a separate, clunky tool. It integrates right into your workflow. Use it in your terminal via the CLI, inside vscode or Cursor as an extension, or in the cloud through its web UI and GitHub integration. It maintains context for hours, making it a persistent pair programmer. The results speak for themselves. 74% accuracy on the difficult SWE bench, a 90% reduction in task completion time thanks to cloud optimizations, and review comments that are not only more accurate, but 52% more likely to be critical, high-impact suggestions. And we know what tech leads and managers are thinking. What about security? It's built in. By default, it operates in a secure, network-disabled sandbox. You have granular control over its permissions, and every action, every command, every test is fully logged for your review. Complete control, total transparency. What's next? They, OpenAI, are rolling out direct API access for deeper custom integrations and investing heavily in advanced cybersecurity safeguards to ensure that as these models grow more capable, they remain secure and aligned with your team's best interests. Codex isn't just a new tool, it's your new teammate. What would you build with it? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more on the future of AI and software engineering.